Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. That's a cup. That's my phone. Yeah, that's my coffee machine. Yeah. Make latte. You're gonna make a latte? No, don't chew my phone. Excuse me. Look at that mess. Look at that mess you're making on my sides. Look at that mess. Hey, look at that mess. Oh, yummy. Yummy. Parsnip. Yummy.
Sorry.
You want some broccoli? Yeah, that's you. That's your reflection. Pretty bird. Yeah. Huh? We're gonna get a cooking show, me and you. Yeah, we do cooking show. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So this is how you make broccoli and a latte. Yeah, we do that. Yeah, she's really interested in that coffee machine. Mm. 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 Look, broccoli's yummy. It's yummy. It's good for you, and it's yummy, and it's one of your favourite vegetables. Oh, look at you exploring. Here, Bobbi. Carrot.
Billy, shut up. Oh, you go there. You lucky bird. Oh.
Yummy. 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 You know, my photo album is just full of videos of the top of your head. Yeah, it is. I need to go through my phone.